he joking? Is he actually like pulling my leg right now?
Sorry. See, we'll hit 10K in no time.
Yeah, no, 100%. Like this is. Wait, how much do we have now?
Like 8K maybe? 9K?
9K, right? Oh, all no, it's 8K. I thought it was more actually.
Was it Team Galactic theme? Okay, I'll send you the one that I find. Okay, I do think I will go to bed finally though.
Yeah, I don't know. And I'm gonna either take a nap and then get some food, or get some food
And then
and
take it
take a
up.
nap.
Okay, let me just see. Make sure it's the right one. Team Galactic theme.
The Arctic theme.
Okay, it's not Team Galactic, but that one also slaps. What was the one? Was it Team Magma?
Team Magma?
No, it wasn't. God damn it. What was the enemies in Black and White?
Wait, can you talk one time? Let me see if I can hear
Plasma.
you. Okay, yeah. Plasma. So yummy.
Why is everyone spiraling
Oh
over
my.
YouTube banning ad blockers? Like, chill guys, just use
Thank
Pi. It's a
goodness.
free Chrome extension that's actually made.
Absolutely.
Oh, this is the one. This is the one. This is one.
I definitely will. Which one? Let me see.
Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I sent it to you on Discord. It's so good. Goated.
Sure, let me go back here.
I'm vibing. It's so good. No, because I love this so much that like I would just listen to it all the time.
The Team Plasma battle music.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Can I put it on? Can I like change it from my music in this scene? Or maybe I just go back to the other scene. I'll do this.
Favorite Krispy Kreme?
Yes.
Was it crispy?
I fucking love this. I don't know. You do it so well too. I don't know. You sound so.
Right, right.
You've been practicing this.
It's like my Kim Kardashian
Your
impression.
go-to. Oh yeah.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that?
I fucking adore that. I fucking adore that. I love it.
Anyways, you should go get some sleep or food. And it's almost 4 a.m. for me. I will go to bed.
Yeah, no, you need sleep. Don't be a degen.
Good night.
Although I should be
Bye.
sleeping.
You are a degen.
Bye. Yeah,
Bye.
no.
It's raining. Please just magically appear.
Oh, but it's supposed to be in this little thing, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Come on. I missed it.
Wood skip.
Come on. Not gonna lie, that did scare me a little bit.
No, I was gonna say
I
I
wasn't,
jumped.
I
I
wasn't
actually
expecting it.
jumped. I was gonna be quiet about it because reasons.
Please be a catfish. Oh my god, I got it. Yeah, thank god.
A fucking catfish.
And now I have 2 items, or 3 maybe. Deliver.
Amazing.
Okay, don't. There's one slime like up, but I don't think it'll bother you.
No, it should be fine. I'm a big boy. I can handle myself.
Promiscuous girl. What do you want?
I'm gonna go down here and see.
Did you ever buy the feed
The what?
for your chickens? You ever buy stuff to feed them?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Go buy it, hurry. She's still open.
Trying to get out of here.
You should close at 2
I'm
or
stuck.
3. What do you mean you're stuck?
I'm stuck in the trees.
Go around it.
Ah. Okay. See, sand is just built different for some reason.
One, one. Complete. Oh, I got deluxe bait for that.
A what now?
Deluxe bait.
Oh? Okay, let's fucking go. Okay, Marnie. Hi, Marnie.